This lesson is going to go through drawing nets and finding surface area. We're going to start with a rectangular prism, which is made up of rectangular faces. This rectangular prism is going to be used throughout the whole lesson to keep things consistent. Remember, the net is going to be a drawing of the three-dimensional shape flattened out into 2 dimensions. We're going to start with the front, which is this rectangle here. It's a 5 by 3, so we draw a rectangle that's a 5 by 3. For the top, we're going to use this, which is the top of the box, and we're going to have that drawn out as a 4 by 5 because you have a 4 by 5 here. For the bottom, that is the bottom that's the box is resting on, that's also going to be a 4 by 5. It matches up to the top. It's going to be opposite of the top. And for the back, that's going to be the back side of this, and that's going to be a 5 by 3. Same thing as the front, so it's opposite. We're now going to add the side flaps. So the side flaps are going to be a 4 by 3. So you've got to make sure that you have it on the right side here. We're going to attach it to the front. If you look at this shape, the front is here, and you would take these sides and fold them out almost like wings. So you've got your 3 and your 4 here, just like you have your 3 and your 4. And then this side is going to be your 3 and your 4. Now that the net is drawn, we're going to use this net to find the actual surface area. Be careful, the surface area is not 5 times 4 times 3. That's going to be the volume. We're talking about the area that covers the outside of this box. So we're going to start by using the front. We've colored in the front. It's 5 by 3, so you're multiplying 5 times 3, which equals 15. We're going to move on to the top, and the top is 4 by 5, or 5 by 4, either one, so that's going to equal 20. Go to one of the sides, which is 4 and 3, and that's going to equal 12. Because each of these faces has an opposite, or another one of them, we're going to double each of these. So the 5 by 3, the 15 centimeter square side, there's 2 of them, which equals 30. There's 2 of these at 20, which equals 40, and there's 2 of these at 12, which equals 24. We're now going to add that up, which is what the sum means. So we add up all the sides that we have, and we're going to end up with 94 square centimeters. Because it's area, you've got to keep it in squares. Don't go to cubes yet. Cubic is going to be volume. We're going to now find the surface area just by using the shape without drawing a net. You can go both ways on this. Some people find it easier to flatten the shape out, and some people will find it easier to do it from the shape itself. So if you just start off with the rectangular prism drawing, you've got your 5 by 3, which is 15. You've got your 5 by 4, which is 20. And you have your 4 by 3, which is 12. You've taken each of those faces, and you've found out the area. And then again, we doubled them. You add that up, you end up with 94, and your answer is 94 square centimeters. If you have any questions or are confused about this, re-watch the video, or you can go to your blue PH book for more assistance.